Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apple Home app and add smart devices, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Apple Home app, start by unlocking your iPhone or iPad. Open the App Store on your device. In the search bar at the bottom, type Apple Home and hit search. Locate the official Apple Home app in the search results. Tap the download button, which looks like a cloud with an arrow. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Home app. Now that you've opened the Home app, tap on the Get Started button. You may need to sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Next, grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your home network. To start adding smart devices, look for the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on the plus icon to add a device. Select Add Accessory from the menu that appears. Follow the instructions on the screen to begin pairing a new device. Make sure your smart device is powered on and in pairing mode. Scan the HomeKit setup code or enter it manually if required. Once your device is recognized, tap on it to add. Follow any additional instructions to complete the setup process. You can choose or create a room for your new device during the setup. After adding, you can customize the device's name and settings. Once set up, your smart device will appear on the main screen of the Home app. You can now control your smart devices directly through the app. Explore your options and consider setting up automations for convenience. Enjoy managing your smart home effortlessly with the Apple Home app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.